and then he hopped the fence here. And
Kayla Kaysgard is one of several Coldstream residents who witnessed a cougar prowling only 100 meters from an elementary school. And while the animal wasn't far from Cal Lake Park, she admits it was an unusual sight.
oh gosh, no, I didn't expect to see him at all. Like, you could look over there and I seen him walking up the street and he looked pretty out of place.
Well, we attended the locations where the cougar was sighted, and it's normal cougar behavior in an unnatural environment. It's a very residential area here. The cougar was up on one person's porch.
However, this isn't the only cougar sighting in the North Okanagan. In the last week, 2 cats were killed. The first was euthanized by conservation after it became too comfortable around humans. The second was shot by a resident of Lavington after it was caught killing 2 goats. Conservation says the cougar they are currently tracking will likely be euthanized, as it's attempted to kill pets and livestock.
When a cougar breaks the lines of attempting to kill pets and livestock and killing pets and livestock, we have to euthanize them. Our cougar populations in British Columbia are very healthy, and relocation is not, it doesn't work, We move this cougar into another area where there's already cougar established home ranges, right? So that animal has to fight to survive, and we've seen it frequently where these animals come back into the area where they were trapped, right?
Recently, conservation has taken flack for euthanizing the cougars and not trying harder to relocate the animals.
Us as conservation officers, we get into this job to protect the wildlife and as well to protect people and their pets, our livestock, and we're doing everything we can.
This cougar will continue to be tracked and traps set up in the backyard of a residence on Thibault Road. For Castanet News, I'm Jen Zielinski.